Amaya said, "You look like a man who reads poetry when no one's watching." Alex blinked, caught off guard, yet amused. এই মহিলা, একটা complete stranger, just peeled him open like a book. সে হিউমার দিয়ে সারপ্রাইজ মাস্ক করার চেষ্টা করল। And you look like a woman who eavesdrops when everyone's watching. Words hung there, playful, insolent, almost flirtatious. That spark, my friends, that's how tension blooms. Not in declarations, কিন্তু in absurd little exchanges যা feel করে like they are standing on edge of confession. They laughed. Awkwardly, কিন্তু underneath, something else simmered. A tug neither fully admitted. এখানে যদি এটা ordinary story হতো, Alex would ask her name. They'd share a drink, simple আর tidy. কিন্তু this story? Oh no, dear listeners.